Okay, now for the second question, which is also a foreground question and deals with etiology, we are going to say the pico elements. The first element, the population, are children from 0 to 18 years old. The intervention is actually the MMR vaccine, and we are comparing them to children who did not receive the vaccine. So this is the comparison group, and to evaluate the outcome, which is autism.
Okay, now for searching through PubMed, we start by going to the mesh database, and now we start to type each part of the pico elements individually. So we start with the MMR vaccine. Okay, now we found the mesh related to that topic. Meshes inside the PubMed, they are already exploded, so no need to select neither explode nor focus. And we add to search builder. Now we search for autism. We found two meshes related to that topic, autistic disorders and autism spectrum disorder, after reading about each one of them. Now we select both and add to search builder. The three elements were joined where the MMR vaccine was added to both autistic disorders and autism spectrum disorders. Now we search through PubMed. The search result has appeared. Now we select, we copy it, and then we go towards the PubMed website. Now we enter search find by clinical queries, and we paste the search result. We select the filtering by etiology, and the scope is already broad. It means maximizing sensitivity. We had 111 search results. Now we enter through those results to apply the limit. Our population here is children, so we have to select, we have to add children as the limit, and we have to apply that filter. So we reached 81 results.